Hello class, I had objective number 11, solve equations by completing the square. The equation x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0 needs to be switched and put in the form x squared plus bx equals negative c. So I'm going to rewrite it, and then I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. So that gives me x squared plus 6x equals negative 8. Now it's in the correct form. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. I need to make sure that's 1. If it's not 1, I would need to multiply by 1 over a to make sure it's 1. So I don't need to do anything with that. Then I look at the coefficient of x, also considered b, which is 6, and I need to work with that. So I take 6, divide it by 2, equals 3. I'm going to take 3, square it, equals 9. And I'm going to put the 9 back into the equation. I'm going to add it to both sides to keep the equation equal. X squared plus 6x plus 9 equals negative 8 plus 9. Now here I have a perfect square trinomial. I need to factor that and make it a perfect square binomial. So x plus 3 squared equals 1. Then to get rid of the square, I need to do the square root property. So that's going to be x plus 3 equals plus or minus 1. Then I can solve for x. So I would need to subtract 3 from both sides. So x equals negative 3 plus 1, or x equals negative 3 minus 1. So x equals negative 2, or x equals negative 4. And that's how you solve equations by completing the square.